Alright, so you can see here you can make 184 euros. Now this is over $200. All you have to do is just go to... What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $200 or even more with a super easy copy and paste done for you method. I'm going to share with you everything you need to know about how to do this, so to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you here on how you can make $200 or a lot more per day with a super easy copy and paste method. Now first a disclaimer, results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. If you skip out on any important part on this video, you might not get any results at all. So this is super important. Watch the whole video. Don't skip out on any important information. Otherwise, it might not work for you at all here. If you are interested in make money online, internet marketing related tips and a lot more, make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is my IM Tips. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that you can have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's dive in on how we can make $200 or more per day with a simple, easy copy and paste done for you method. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first off you can see I am at one of the most popular freelance sites here. I have typed logo design here, and before you jump into any conclusions at all, this is probably not what you think it is, okay? We're not talking about drop servicing here or anything like that. So bear with me as I said and watch the whole video. This is important. What we are going to do is we're going to focus on logo design. We're going to sell logos, alright? So how can we do this? That's exactly what I'm going to share with you. But first I want to show you the potential that you can make money with this that I'm going to share with you right here. So if I just have a closer look here, if I just type logo design here, all right, you can see the potentials. It starts for, this is in euros, this is $15 approximately. Look at this, $170, 765 here. This is amazing, okay? So, I mean, I have graphic designers. I know they charge usually anywhere from $200, $300 for just a logo design here, okay? So, as I said, don't worry. This is going to be super easy for you. You don't have to do any work at all. So, basically, if I just open up one here, you can see that if you go to the basic package, all right, this is $40, but the standard package, which probably is also something that people will purchase, and we have the premium package here, it goes up to $150 here. All right, let's go to another site. We have people per hour. I just type logo here and look at this. We have 398 projects that needs logos here, and it starts anywhere from $11.69. Here we have something business logo and vintage logo design, $184. $184 is over $200, and this is with just one post here. All right, this is so cool. If I scroll down, you can see here that there is all kind of rates here. We have 138 euros. So there is a lot of potential in here. We have another site here, freelancer.com. Look at this. We have, how many is there? 1,886 jobs found here with logo design, all right? All kind of amounts here, all right? So, I mean, look at this, 262 euros. This is insane. I'm sorry, dollars, all right? We have something else here, 329. So I hope that you realize that this is a huge potential to make money online. We have Upwork. This is another freelance site, and I'm not going to bore you here. all you have to do is actually more or less just sign up to all these sites here and apply for any kind of logo design job that is available there. Now, a good tip would be actually to get started, to sell yourself a bit low in the beginning, and when you get a good reputation, you can actually increase your price there. Let me give you another opportunity on this, on how you can actually make money with logos. The last video I did here was actually I shared this site squadhelp.com, and you can see here that if you think you are creative, you can participate in branding contests, all right? And of course you can participate in these contests here because we are talking about, it's not about name ideas, but we have actually, let's go here and see active contests, okay? We are talking about logo design. So if I just sort it out with logo and design here, all right, we have 40 contests. And look at this, 300, 300, 225, 225. I mean, all you have to do is just apply to all these 40. This is going to be super easy for you. So now you're probably saying, okay, so I don't have to outsource it, or how do I actually do this? Well, really simple. This is actually going live today here, and this is Pixalogo version 3.0. Now, I've already seen the earlier previous versions, and this is going to be a no-brainer for you, my friends, because have a look at this. We are talking about helping business people create their own professional logos quickly and easily. What you're going to get here is actually 200 ready-made logos for 40 different business categories. How cool is that? You get over 1400 plus files here, all the different formats. We have PSD for Photoshop, SVG, JPEG, PNG. You can even edit this in PowerPoint. You get video tutorials on how to do this. So this is going to be a no-brainer even if you're totally new to this. Super easy to customize, and the best of all is commercial license, which means that we can sell this. All right, so let's scroll down a little bit here. We already know the importance of having a logo, how important it is. So this is Pixalogo 3.0. I'm going to leave a link below for you here to make this a no-brainer. This is going to be available only for a few days, then the price will go up. So make sure you take advantage of it. So let's have a quick look here at the different categories. All right, we have accounting and financial, animal and pet, architectural, attorney, art design, automotive, communication. All these categories are definitely super important to have covered, and that's exactly what you have in here. All right, look at this, for example, accounting and financial. Look at these logos. You just go in there, you edit the name and the tagline there, and you are done. All right, you can tweak them however you want also, since you get the original files. Maybe your customer wants it in blue or yellow or whatever. So I mean, this is a no-brainer, guys. Okay, you can use this not only for the freelance sites that I shared, but how about go to some businesses offline and actually offer them logos. All right, you can go, for example, go to Google and type for offline businesses and just see if there is some outdated logos. Offer them a new logo design. You can offer it for a cheap price in the beginning, and you can upsell later on some other things there. I mean, I talked about this so many times in the past. Look at this, if I scroll down more, cafe, childcare, cleaning and maintenance. These are super nice professional logos, guys, all right? And you can get all this package here. It starts for actually, let's scroll down a little bit here so you can see the price also. Basically, you can get started for 17 bucks. This is a steal, guys, okay? You get 200 professional logos for 17 bucks. I mean, this is ridiculous. And I showed you so many ways here on how you can make money with this, all right? It doesn't get any easier than this. You can just edit it and you are done, okay? You don't have to do any work at all. So there you have it, more or less. I mean, take advantage of it. Sell offline, go to Squad Help, for example. But only the freelance sites alone will probably going to get you busy there to make money with this opportunity. So there you have it. Make sure you take advantage of this before the price goes up, my friends, because this is a steal and probably one of the easiest way to get started to make money online right now. As I said, if you are interested also in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you get some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit the notification bell and you're going to find another video recommendation also. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.